show you another problem where you have to subtract mixed numbers using the ungrouping method. My problem is 6 2/9 minus 2 7/9. I find it a lot easier to rewrite my problems vertically, so I would suggest that you do that too. The first question that you have to ask yourself when you're subtracting mixed numbers is, can I subtract the numerators? In this case, my numerators are 2 and 7. I cannot do 2 minus 7. So that's telling me that I need to use the ungrouping method in order to solve this problem. I need to ungroup a whole from here and add it as a little fraction part. So if I ungroup a whole, I'm going to change that 6 to a 5, and I'm going to add a little fraction part to that 2/9. Remember, when your numerator and denominator are the same number, it equals one whole. So I'm going to look to see what my numerator is. It's a 9. And to add a one whole, I would just change my fraction to 9/9. 9/9 would be the same thing as a one whole. That one whole we took away from the 6. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to add those little fraction parts together. 2 plus 9 is 11. 9 would be my denominator, and don't forget your whole number. Remember, we changed that 6 to a 5. So instead of 6 2/9, you now have 5 11/9. This will be improper, but that's okay. So let me just rewrite out the rest of my problem so that it's nice and neat, and we can go ahead and finish solving this problem. I just want to make sure that I could subtract my numerators now. 11 minus 7, I can do that, so we're good to go. 11 minus 7 is 4. When we're subtracting, our denominators always stay the same, so 4/9 would be this little fraction part. And then I need to go back and I need to subtract my whole numbers. 5 minus 2 would be 3. Just double check that 4/9 is an improper fraction. It's not in this case, so 3 4/9 would be my final answer for this problem.